Imagine that at a research institute, you're tasked with summarizing articles but are pressed for time. Artificial intelligence offers a great solution for completing the task quickly. With the growing importance of AI, it's crucial to know which tool best suits your needs. Let's explore which tool is more powerful, ChatGPT or Hugging Face. First, we choose an article in PDF format. Next, we ask ChatGPT to summarize the text from the PDF. After that, we visit Hugging Face's website and follow the instructions to implement the task correctly. We'll utilize Collab notebooks, import all necessary libraries, and install them. Finally, the model will generate the summarization in the notebook. Comparing the results, we generate two text summaries. Both tools have their strengths, but which one do you think performs better or produces more human-like summaries? Share your thoughts in the comments for discussion. Thanks.